Hello and welcome to Freedom Learning. This lesson is dedicated to how to create lessons. So let's start. So in order to start creating your lesson, the first thing you have to do is log into your administrator's or instructor's account. Now, as you can see, I already logged in with my instructor's account. Once you have logged in, go to this black bar at the top, go to the left and highlight. When you see the dashboard menu, click dashboard. It automatically takes you to the backend of the LearnPress site dashboard. Under the dashboard, you can get LearnPress menu, H5P, and others. Now, to create a lesson, you have to directly go to the LearnPress menu and click courses. When you click course, you must be able to see one or more of the courses which you have already created. If you want to create a new course, you have to click the add new course menu at the top. If you want to edit one of the courses you have already created, you have to click edit after you highlight the course. Now, let's start by adding to a new course. Now, when you click add a new course menu, it opens up and gives you the chance to write your course or to create a course. Now, when it shows you add a title, you have to write your title. For example, I might say Science or General Science, Grade 2. So after I write General Science Grade 2, now this will be left as the name of the course or the title of the course. Underneath, you can get type or choose a block. So in this section, you have to put your descriptions or course description. And then when you slide down, you can get the curriculum section. Under the curriculum section, the first thing it asks you is details, and it says create a new section. Then let's say you write module 1. And when you click enter, now your module is created. Under module 1, you can include one or more lessons. Let's say now the science or the general science grade 2 course might have the first module as animals. So you can write animals here. And under animals, we might have different lessons, like lesson 1, mammals, or insects, or other kinds of mammals. So let's assume that the first lesson is mammals. Therefore, you have to create this book or the blue book icon, and which says create a new lesson. Now let me type as mammals, or says lesson 1 mammals. And then remember that you have to click enter. When you click enter, it's going to take its place and give you another option to create another lesson. So if you want to create another lesson, you have to click over here and write it down. Otherwise, you have to create a quiz here. Now, I'm not going to go to the details of quiz because we've got a quiz section separately. So we will be going to see only the lesson part. Now you have created lesson 1. If you want to add one more lesson, you write here lesson 2 and you have to click enter. Now we have created 2 lessons under one module. The module is animals, and one of the first lesson is mammals, and the second lessons might be insects. Now after you do this, what you should do is you have to publish your course. If you go to the top, you can see the word publish on the right top corner. So let me click it, publish. So it asks you, are you ready to publish? We know that we have not completed the creation of the course, but however, in order to make sure that we saved it, you have to say yes and go publish. Now, publishing means your course or your lessons are now available online. If you go to the student side, you will be able to see your course from the student side. Now, this is the first section. Now we'll be going to the second section and we'll go deep into the lesson and we'll show you how to create different contents of the lesson.